What is going on, everybody? This is Joel tuning in with the Zuper channel today. Thank you for coming to check out this video, and it's just a little instructional video. I actually picked up a brand new Tomei titanium exhaust for the Supra. Now the exhaust comes with burnt tips. The vehicle has a lot of chrome and polished parts, so I just don't think that the blue really flows with it. You know, if the car were a different color, if it were a white, a black, red, even a blue car, I think would look fantastic with this exhaust with the burnt tips. And I just don't feel that it flows with the car. So what we're gonna be doing today, I'm gonna show you the process that I'm using in order to remove the bluing from the titanium to give it just that clean, polished titanium look without the blue. So as far as the titanium bluing, that's done through a heating process where they heat up the titanium, and as you go increasing the temperature, it actually goes changing the color of the metal. So as you can see here, we've got a blue, purple, and almost like a bronze color. So as you start heating up the titanium, you're going to start producing this bronze color, and then it'll slowly start turning purple, and then you'll get that blue color. You got to be very careful as you're doing that, because if you just get a little bit past that blue color, starts to turn white, you lose all your work. You got to start over. So Tomei has definitely perfected this process. They've been doing it for quite some time. Beautiful piece exhaust. So what we're doing today, we're going to go ahead and use this product, bluing remover. I did have to order this through Amazon. I think it was about $25 or so. I think it's a German product, if I'm not mistaken. Awesome stuff. As you can see here, I've already done a little sample before doing the entire piece. I just wanted to, you know, just confirm on the top of the exhaust, somewhere that's not visible, to make sure that it's going to work well. Does a great job removing that bluing. This was about, I don't know, 40 seconds. So it is gonna be, you know, maybe a 25-30 minute process to do this, but I think it'll make a huge difference in the way that the exhaust looks. So tune in. So a little bit of this product goes a long way. You just wanna go ahead and spread it on. I'm using just a little foam pad on my drill here, and just going maybe 20-30 seconds. Checking your progress. See as it goes removing that bluing. Slowly work it. No need to overdo it. As soon as you see that blue go away. The active ingredient in this, I believe, is hydrochloric acid. So you want to make sure that you wear some gloves while doing this. Definitely don't want to get any contact on your skin or on your eyes. All right, so we'll just take our little rag here, wipe, check the progress, and you see that blue going away. All right, stay tuned for the final results. Now guys, if you don't have power tools, don't be afraid to tackle a project like this with just, you know, a rag and just going at it by hand. Is it going to take you longer? Absolutely. It's definitely going to take you a lot longer, but you know, definitely is doable by hand. As you can see here, it's taking away that bluing quite nicely just by hand. I didn't know how aggressive I would have to go when I first started the project. I thought I might have to take my big buffing wheel and just a cotton pad and see how much it would take away. But I figured I'd try the least abrasive approach first. I don't want to tarnish the scuffing that they do initially before they go ahead and polish these. You can see it there. It's very even. And this process is maintaining that as well. Let me give it just a quick wipe here so you can see. You can still see that underneath. It's still there. So this process definitely, this is just a pad that I got off of a headlight polishing kit. You can definitely do it with a grinder, or if you have a buffing wheel or a polisher, you can use that as well. But this approach is working quite well. As you can see, that bluing is going away. And then after I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit it with some Blue Magic metal polish. This stuff works great. I use it on my wheels, I use it on aluminum, on stainless. Should work well on titanium. Alrighty, and here we are after the first step, which is that bluing removal. As you can see, did a pretty good job. Got some little places I've got to touch up. Obviously, we're gonna go in with the metal polish after to clean up all of this residue. But really happy with how that came out. Pretty simple. So, you know, don't be afraid to tackle a project like this. Now we're gonna move on to the biggest question mark, which is this Tomei Extreme. I believe this is laser etched in. So hopefully it won't eat away now while polishing it with that bluing removal. If anything, I don't care for the Extreme TI on there. So if it comes off, so be it. I really think that it's a minor sacrifice to get rid of the blue to match the car. But let's see how it comes out. Hopefully it'll come off just as simple as the rear of the can, and stick around. Alrighty, so here's the finished product. As you can see, we were able to retain the Extreme, and yeah, came out pretty good. I'm gonna give it a final wipe down once it's installed on the car. But yeah, as you can see, the bluing is all gone and ready to throw it on the car. Once again, this, as I said, it's just because of the color of the car. I know that this might be sacrilege to some, you know, removing the blue off of a titanium exhaust. It's just not for me and the color of the car. Yeah, thank you for sticking around. If you've got any questions, any concerns that we can answer for you as to the process, where to get these products, I'll go ahead and put a link online. This is the AutoZone bluing remover. And then over here, we've got the Blue Magic metal polish cream that was used in order to get this done. Both products are great. The Blue Magic will actually leave a film on here, which will protect the exhaust from any future oxidation or corrosion. So really stoked. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Alrighty, and there she is, all finished up. Super happy with how that came out. Alrighty, and we'll soon have an update on the grimy Supra. She's grimy no more. Pretty soon she'll be hitting the dyno, so stick around the next couple weeks for an update on this one.